If you're looking for the best way to block ads on Windows in 2025, you've probably heard about AdGuard and Pi-hole. Both are popular, but they work very differently. Pihole is a network-wide ad blocker that runs on a separate device, usually a Raspberry Pi or a server, and blocks ads at the DNS level for everything on your network. That sounds great, but it comes with a big downside. Setup is complicated, it requires extra hardware or virtual machines, and it doesn't integrate well if you're just a Windows user looking for an easy solution. On the other hand, AdGuard is designed to run directly on Windows, and it blocks ads, trackers, and pop-ups across your entire system with almost no setup. Unlike Pihole, it can filter HTTPS traffic, block YouTube and Twitch ads more reliably, and even includes parental controls, privacy filters, and stealth mode options. Another huge benefit is ease of use. With AdGuard, you just install it, and it works right away. Pihole is powerful if you're a network admin or want to tinker with your router, but for everyday Windows users who just want ads gone, AdGuard is the clear winner in 2025. Personally, I recommend AdGuard because it saves time, protects your privacy, and works perfectly on Windows without the hassle. I've included my special link in the description so you can download AdGuard with a discount and see for yourself how much better your browsing experience becomes.